Hello, this is Eugene. Today we're going to do a rail crossing overview of this street, Gilchrest Road in Congers, and where Valley Cottage borders. This is a safe tran mechanism, and this part under here is the WRRS crossing base. Also, this looks like a pedestrian crossing thing with the safe tran mechanism and a Harmon crossing base. The third one is the WRRS crossing base and the safe tran mechanism, and maybe safe tran H-inch lights, I bet. And also another one also. This is the overview of the crossing.